Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home, and I hope you all will be enjoying your online classes. So let us start our today's session. In our today's session I have brought the study of electrochemical cell. So as you can see that it is getting clear from the word electrochemical, chemical energy will convert into electrical energy. So you see here what the statement I have written about it. The device in which chemical energy is converted into electrical energy is called galvanic cell or the electrochemical cell, or we can give the another name that we call it, this is a voltaic cell. Okay, so overall in short we must know that chemical energy will convert into electrical energy in the electrochemical cell. Here few more important points I have written about the electrochemical cell. In an electrochemical cell, a redox reaction is carried out, means the reaction which takes place here, the oxidation as well as reduction takes place simultaneously, that we have to know. So in an indirect manner, and decrease in free energy during the chemical process appears as electrical energy. This is the very important point that you have to understand. Decrease in free energy. Free energy will decrease during this chemical process and this energy appears as a electrical energy. Okay, and these cells are spontaneous. Spontaneous means they will work itself. Okay, now Daniell cell is in the best example for the galvanic cell, and the chemical reaction which I have written, reaction involved in the Daniell cell, Zn is reacting with Cu2 positive, that will convert into Zn2 positive to Cu. That I will explain how this reaction is taking place. So you have to see few more important points. This cell converts the chemical energy liberated during the chemical reaction. Whatever the chemical reaction will take place in the container, and that will convert into the electrical energy and has the electric potential that is equal to 1.1 volt. This is the main important point that you must know, that electric potential will be equal to 1.1 volt. So here let me explain this small cell I have made for you. We have to take two containers. In one container we have to dip the zinc rod in its salt solution, and this salt solution, this is of zinc sulfate, and another copper rod we have to dip in the copper sulfate solution, this is of CuSO4. The reactivity of zinc is greater than the copper, that we must know that. Okay, and after that these two cells are to be connected with the inverted U-tube, that we have to call it, this is the salt bridge. Okay, now, and this salt bridge is to be filled with either the KCl, KNO3, K2SO4 or ammonium nitrate. These are the salt, these are filled in the salt bridge, and these are helpful to pass the ions produced in the first beaker to the second beaker. So here zinc is more reactive, that will act as anode terminal, and the copper will act as cathode terminal because its reactivity is lesser than zinc. So here I am writing the statement for you that will help you to learn, that you have to learn the word LOAN. So we must know that the container which is present on left side, this is zinc, and here O for oxidation will take place, and A for anode, and N for negative terminal. So that you have to learn it properly. So that will help you to learn that the container which is present on the left hand side, which we have taken as a zinc, this will act as anode and copper will act as cathode. So what will happen? Zinc is more reactive, so it will start to release Zn2 positive ion, and so here the oxidation will take place, and against it on the right container reduction will take place. So here I am just telling half cell reaction. At anode oxidation will take place. So how this is to be mentioned? zinc starts to release 2 electron and that will convert into Zn2 positive. And in cathode what will happen, that you have to know that copper 2 positive ion. So 2 you can write there plus 2 electron and that will convert into copper in a solid form. Reduction will take place. So overall cell reaction can be written, electrons to electron will be cancelled, Zn plus Cu2 positive and that will convert into Zn2 positive plus Cu in a solid form. So that reaction already I have written for you. Okay, so this is the overall cell reaction that takes place as a redox. Zinc oxidation number is 0 and that is going to be plus 2. So here the oxidation is taking place. Copper oxidation number is plus 2 and here it is going to be 0. So it means here the reduction is taking place. Okay, now after that I will discuss the few functions of salt bridge that I am just explaining. It allows the movement of ions from one solution to the other solution. The salt bridge in the form of inverted U-tube that we have used, that will help for the movement of ions. And simply you can say it helps to maintain the electrical neutrality of the solution in the two half cells due to the flow of ions. Okay, so that was the complete explanation about the electrochemical cell and the functions of salt bridge. I hope you all have got it properly. That's all for today's session.